Away they go. Doña Nene from the outside. Primavera Danori inside. Speed of the wind. Pedro Penduko on the further outside. Evita also the Gray Magic. Amazing Act is the early trailer. Doña Nene, Evita, Pedro, Penduko, Speed of the Wind, Danori inside, Gray Magic, Primavera, Amazing Act. Rounding the far turn, Evita is now the leader. Doña Nene, Pedro, Penduko racing from the outside to take second spot. Racing towards the last 400 and going to the long Santana stretch run with Pedro Penduko from the outside, Evita, Danori inside, Doña Nene, Primavera, Gray Magic, Amazing on the outside and Speed of the Wind, and nearing the finish line, Pedro Penduko, Evita, Gray Magic on the outside, Amazing Act, and finally at the field fly, it's going to a close between 2A, Pedro Penduko, Gray Magic,